Being a small content creator is actually a superpower. Hi, ako nga pala si EJ, isa akong online video producer at nandito ako para share sa inyo aking mga tips, mga tricks at mga bagay-bagay na natutunan ko from making content since 2013. Yung mga smaller content creators, they have this advantage over the larger content creators kasi they are actually closer to their audience kasi maliit pa sila so kakilala pa nila yung mga tao na nagre-reply sa mga comments nila. And actually, nagre-reply pa sila sa comments nila kasi it's not that madami. Kasi kapag large ka na, malaki ka ng content creator, sobrang dami na yan, medyo mahirap na siyang replyan. They can also have conversations with their actual audience. So, pwede kayong mag-replyan sa mismong comment section talaga. And then, dahil maliit sila, they can test ideas quickly without parang, alam mo yun, meron kang maliit na test pool ng mga taong alam mo na audience mo. And then, by doing that, you are building relationship with each and everyone na nandun sa community mo. Which is easier kasi mas maliit pa lang siya sa ngayon. Kasi sa ngayon na maliit pa yung audience, maliit pa yung community, you should not focus on the size. You should focus on the connection.